Okay, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make a pottery 3D model in SketchUp. Okay, first of all, we have to make the basic shape with rotated rectangle. Start from this origin, and we can draw it for with any size. It's depend on your style. Okay, this dimension is around 2 meter and 900 millimeter. Okay, so we have to push it up with any size, for example just like this. Okay, and then we can triple click, right click, and make group, and we can make the pottery half pottery shape with using the tab measure tool. Okay, just click this tab measure tool, start click from here, then click until to the another position horizontally, sorry, and then we can click this edge to this position. We can click this edge with 1 meter approximately, and then we can add more guideline. We can add more guideline to make it more detail about the pottery as we want. It's just example about the pottery design. Maybe I just prepare the grid lines and guideline for make us easy to make it. Okay, we have already prepared for the guideline, or maybe I just wanna make the another one. Okay, okay, we can continue to make the line first with using line. Start from here maybe. Okay, start from here, and then we can try to make it this one, and okay, and okay, and it's approximately just like this, and I will uh, continue to make it. Okay, we have basic shape. We have a basic path of making uh, half a pottery section plane, and then maximize we can maximize this object with using the 2 point arc. You can select the 2 point arc here and click. Then you can make smoother about the every single connection. Okay, you can create by your style for every single connection of the line. I usually maximize the magenta color indicator because the magenta color indicator is indicate uh, that our connection are perfect, our curve connection are perfect. Okay, we can double click if we have this one, and you can see. Okay, okay, and this is about the basic outline of the half section of the pottery. Then we can triple click this one, triple click until we get all this curve line and lines. Then we can select offset, then we can click it to the outside for or inside, is depend on your style. Okay, for example, I just make it inside, just like this, maybe around 150 millimeter. Okay, so and after that I just wanna make the another curvy uh, point arc. I click this line and click this line. Okay, or maybe we can just extend more height of this basic box to make us easy for making it. We can using the 2 point arc, start click from here until here. Then we can type on 32 S and enter. Okay, so we can get the smoother curve. Okay, we can click this one, and then we can close this line, start from the bottom to the upper position, or the or reverse. Okay, so we can get the plane as we can look from this half section of this pottery plane. And now we can make a circle over there. We can make a circle by click this circle, and then we can click here and hold it until the blue axis. I'm sorry. We can click this circle and then click from here, and then we can direct we can make a direction to this position, maybe approximately just like this. And then before we clicking it, we can type 64 s and enter. Okay, then click. Okay, and then we can um, click this line only, click this outer line, and then we can click follow me. Then we can click all, click this plane. Okay, so we can get the sorry, we can get this object. We can get this object. Then we can delete for unnecessary element or object over there, and then we can delete this one, and we can delete for um, every single guideline over there. Then we can triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, this one, and so we can get the shape of it, and we can assign with another material maybe. Okay, this one, and also um, maybe we can make the some variation. Maybe we can make the some variation of it by select this one and select move and press Control to duplicate it and place on this position. And we can make the circle to make the cylinder shape right there by any dimension. And then we can select a push and push it up. Okay, and then we can maybe we can make it larger than before, approximately just like this, and then we can push it up until this position, triple click, right click, and make group. So then we can click this one, then we can click this subtract. Okay, then we can click the target. So just wait about the result. Okay, so we can get the shape just like this. Okay, we can get the shape just like this, so we can see about the inner section about it, and we can select the another material section. I mean, we can using the darker material. Click this one, and then okay, we can click this one. Okay, we can get about it. This is about the illustration. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you if you wanna make the pottery in SketchUp, and just wait for my next tutorial in this channel. Have a good day.